So today I want to show you this camera flash right here. This is the Godox V1 Pro, an advanced speedlight designed for photographers who need powerful performances, professional features, and maximum flexibility for a wide range of shooting situations. Just like the original V1, it features the signature round flash head and delivers softer and more natural looking light compared to traditional rectangular speedlights. This makes it an excellent choice for portraits, weddings, events, and creative photography where flattering light is essential. One of the biggest upgrades is the detachable field light integrated into the front of the flash. This additional light source helps reduce harsh shadows and provides more balanced illumination when shooting up close, making it especially useful for portraits and event photography. The Godox V1 Pro is also powered by a high-capacity rechargeable lithium-ion battery, offering long shooting sessions and fast recycling time so you can keep working without interruption. It also includes the built-in 2.4 GHz wireless systems, allowing it to function as both a transmitter and as a receiver within the Godox ecosystem for advanced off-camera lighting setups. High-speed syncs, multiple flash modes, and intuitive control also gives the photographer that, as far as I noticed, the flexibility to adapt quickly to changing shooting conditions and creative requirements. So if you're looking for a great price per quality one, I really suggest this one.